Hi everyone, it's Bonnie. I want to share with you a quick little candy wrapper I created with our paper pumpkin kit. I did use a different paper than that was provided in the Stampin' Up! Kit. This is a kit from September of 2018 and it is called Frights and Delights, and it is available to purchase. Stampin' Up! Released the kits earlier, and you can find them on my online store at www.bonniestamped.stampinup.net, and you can buy the actual kit or the refills. And what's great, if you are not aware of the paper pumpkin kits, that when you open them, they come nicely packaged in this little box. Normally the box is red, but this is a special edition one, and you would get a cute little stamp set. You get a Stampin' Spot, and when you keep opening, you will find the kit. Now this kit for Halloween does include 24 little treat bags, and I have created the treat bag. So this is one of them that features the ghost, and this is another one that features the bat. Super cute. There is a third image, which is a pumpkin, but I'm using that on my little treat bag for today. So let me just wrap this up. Oh, let me grab this out of here just to show you what a refill kit would look like, but this is what the kit looks like when it comes with everything. Refill kit would only include this. It's minus the stamp set, but everything is included, even your adhesive, and there's also some dimensionals here, some ribbon, and then you have different tags to put on your treat bags. Super cute kit for Halloween. And I fortunately had some time, and I created some alternative projects, and one of them was this cute little candy wrapper. So let me hurry up and create it for you to show you how simple, in case you want to create it too. Okay, so the only thing that you need is a 6x6 piece of paper. I have on here a little host code, just to let you know if you do any shopping with me, to include this to receive a little treat from me. So this is your 6x6. And all you're going to do is you're going to fold it up to make a triangle. Now I'm using the in color Pineapple Punch. And then you are going to take the one piece up top here, and you are going to fold it down. You're not going to fold it all the way to the bottom, but you're going to give it a good little crease right there. So again, up to the top, fold this down. And you can see right here that I have a little bit of a border at the bottom. You're going to then put that back up top. You're going to take this corner and you're just going to fold it straight across, following where you bent down, right underneath. So I'm going to hold it up because I know sometimes with the Facebook Lives, it's hard to see. So you can see I folded that over, and then I'm going to put that back up. Okay, now I'm going to take this side, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Okay, so we're going to go just like this, and we're going to make a nice little crease. Probably heard that nice little crease, right? You can use your bone folder too. I didn't grab it because it just seems to work with my fingers here. And then I'm just going to fold down the top. And it stays down. No adhesive. And then if you go like this, you have like a little pocket. Simple, right? Look, it's staying down. How cute are these? So I, again, used it for, whoops, it's falling out, a little Halloween alternative gift from that paper pumpkin for September. And I'm just making it in Pineapple Punch this time around. But you saw how simple. It was just a simple 6x6 piece of paper. Fold in half, fold down, not all the way, lift up, cross the top, and bend down. And then I have another Kit Kat. You just put it right in there, like so. So the only thing else that I'm going to do then is make a little tag. So what I did was from the kit, I took already one of the tags, I cut off the bottom, and I attached a little pumpkin. I'm going to grab some string here, some twine that's also from the kit. And it's easier to make your bow without the candy in it. Okay, and we're just going to make a little bow right like so. And now again, these kits are available to subscribers only. I might have missed that point. So if you're not a subscriber, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. There is a flash sale starting on the 8th. And while supplies last, if you join, if you are not already a subscriber, your first kit is $5. Definitely worth it, because remember, you get a stamp set, you get a project, you get an ink spot, all the adhesives that you need to make your kit. There you go. Okay, because this guy wants to keep shifting, I'm just going to grab a little glue dot, because you know it's not perfectly, and I'm just going to attach this to the back so that it stops moving around on me. There we go. Perfect. See? Quick and simple. And I'm going to grab my little bow, my embellishment here. Grab some more dimensionals. And you would have enough in that kit if you wanted to use those dimensionals. There we go. And I'm just going to slide this over. Move that little bow. Now that bow will stay in place. And then get my little candy. And now I have another little treat to give to a trick-or-treater or a coworker or my kids' friends if I want to. So I hope you found that helpful. And I just want to show you, I also made a little 3x3 card. And I also made a little greeting card right here where I took strips of paper. They're 1.5 by 3.5. And I put that on a sheet of white paper also, and all the directions are on my website, so you guys can catch it up there in a minute when I post it. But once I put it onto the same size white piece of paper, I embossed it so that it would be together, and then I just added this cord to camouflage where the lines were. So this was a cute little card that we created, and I used a little ghost here. There I used the little pumpkin, and there I used the bat. So those were 3 alternative projects that I created from the treat bags that were included in this month's kit. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you soon. Bye.